Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to solve this HackerRank problem based on a string. Problem name is as given alternating character. In this problem statement we have to determine if the adjacent character is same, then we need to then we need to remove it, and finally we have to return the minimum number of character needs to be deleted so that the remaining string will not have the same adjacent character. So let's understand this problem statement. This was the review about this problem. You are given a string containing character A and B only. A and B only. Your task is to change it into the string that there are no matching adjacent character. To do this, you are allowed to delete 0 or more character in the string. Your task is to find out the minimum number of required deletion. For example, given string is AABAAB. To remove B at the position to remove A at the position 0 and 3, the remaining string will be AB and AB. In this given string, no adjacent character as the same. Okay, so finally we deleted 2 characters from this given string, so we are returning 2. Let's understand this input format. The first line contains an integer q, the number of the query. The next q line each contains the string, whereas q will be more than 1 or less than equal to the 10, and the length of the string will be more than 1 and less than equal to 10 to the power 5. Each string will consist only the character uppercase A and B. We can see here is a first string is 4 times A. If we will remove these 3 character, then remaining character that is A will be the unique and no adjacent character is the same. Okay, similarly we need to remove 4 from this and AB, 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 AB. In this no adjacent character is the same, so we don't need to delete any character. Similarly in this BA, 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 no adjacent character is the same, so no need to delete. In the last character, last string, we need to delete these 2 and these 2, so the remaining character will be A and B only. So we are removing 4 character from this given string, so returning 4 for the last input. Okay, let's move to the coding section. I am going to create integer type of variable result, which will initially store 0 and finally we will return result. Return result. Okay. Let's use for loop. Inside this I am creating integer type of variable int I is equal to 0 and I will be continue till the s dot length -1 and I plus plus. For each iteration I am updating I variable. If s of I not equal s of I plus 1. Then we will continue else we will update result plus. What does it mean? So first I am checking if the first character and the second character both are not equal, it means no need to delete. If it is equal, then we need to delete. So I am incrementing result by 1. So that's it about the coding. Let's run this code for the simple test case validation. Yeah, it passed the simple test case validation. In this problem statement, we don't need to actually remove the character. We just need to count the number of the character deletion is required. So I'm just counting. I'm not actually not deleting the character. Okay, let's run this code. Submit this code for final evaluation. It should pass the all test cases. It's taking time. I think my internet is slow, but it should pass. My internet is slow, as you may see here. Only two. Yeah, guys, this my code is passed all the test cases without any issue. So guys, if you think this video is helpful for you, please share with your friend and hit the like button. And if you not subscribe my channel yet, please subscribe my channel so you can get update whenever I will upload new video for you. Thank you for watching.